Want to change your email password in Hostinger? In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to update your password easily. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. First, open your browser and visit hostinger.com. Then, click on Emails in the menu panel. Select any email from the list, and you'll be taken to the Overview section. From here, click on Email Accounts in the menu. You'll see the email account that's associated with the selected mail. Next, click on the triple dot icon next to your email account and choose the Change Password option. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a new password. Simply type in your desired password, ensuring it's strong and secure, and then click Update to save the changes. That's it. Your email password is now updated and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and share it with others who might need help. And if you want to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.